Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Visual Studio 2019 on Windows 10. So we will be installing Visual Studio Community Edition. Let's download it first. At first, go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Click on the browser, open it. Now here in type Visual Studio, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click on it. So Visual Studio is owned by Microsoft, as you can see here. Now go below. On the left, you can see Visual Studio is visible. Download Visual Studio, click on it. On keeping the cursor, you can see three versions are visible: Community, Professional, and Enterprise. So we need to download the Community version. Click on it. Now the download should begin. On the left bottom, you can see the exe installer downloaded. Now double click or click on the arrow. Now open. Let's minimize this. Now here is the installer. Click on continue. Guys, now you can see herein we have workloads. That is what we need to install. So we will be running a C# console application project. So for that we need to click on .NET Desktop Development. Click on it. Here it is written. It will build a console application. Also click on it. On clicking on the right, you can see with that the optional packages will also get installed. Packages and tools. You can see the just-in-time debugger, .NET Core Development Tools, .NET Framework, Blend, and other tools. Keep the default, and you can see here it will take around 5.15 GB. So do you want to install while downloading? Yes, keep the default, and now click on install here. Now the downloading and installation will start. Here it is. Here you can see. You need to wait for some time. So guys, now we have successfully downloaded Visual Studio and it has been installed. So to open it, go to start, type Visual Studio. Here it is, 2019 Visual Studio. Click on it to open. Now the Visual Studio dialog box is visible. You can sign in from here, or you can just click on not now, maybe later. So I'll click the same. So here you can select the theme, and here is the development settings. Click on it. For C#, you can select Journal or Visual C#. Both will work. So I'll select Journal, and you can select the theme here. Let's keep the same and click on Start Visual Studio. Now here you can click on Continue without code. From here we will create a new C# console application. For that, go to File and let's create a new project. Go to New. Here we will click on Project. Now for C# console application, here let's search for console application.NET Framework. Here it is, console app.NET Framework. Now click on Next. Add the name of the project. Let's give the name Amit Console App. So here in the location for repository is visible, keep the same, or you can change from here by clicking browse. Rest keep the same, framework it's fine, 4.7.2. Now click on create. So you can see our program.cs file gets created. This is the default code. Let us understand this first. Here you can see using system. This is basically which adds namespace in the program. Namespace, what is a namespace? It is used to declare a namespace Amit console app in this case. This namespace Amit console app is having our program class. What is class program? This is basically a class which is declared as name program. Now static void main method, it is the first method that gets executed. Basically you can consider the entry point of a C# program is this main method. Now let's print something. We will print something using console.writeLine. So basically this is the console class, as you can see on keeping the cursor. This is for standard input, output and error streams. WriteLine is basically a method that is the standard output stream. So whatever you will add in this method will get printed. Let's add something. First C# program. First C# program. Here it is. Now we will go to file. Save all. Now let's run it. To run any C# console application, click on start here. Or you can also press the key F5. Let's click on start. The build has been started. So guys, what you can see here, the program has no issues. It has been built successfully, but the output is not visible. Why? Because we haven't added console.read key. Here it is. Now let's run it again. Go to start, or you can also press F5. Now it will build first and our output would be visible. Here it is, first C# program. The same output is visible here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Visual Studio 2019. We also saw how we can create a new project. We created a console application, and we also saw how we can run our first project on Visual Studio 2019. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.